Alright, this video is for two separate auctions. One auction is for the screen, the Lilliput with the built-in amplifier, and the other auction is for the rest of the equipment, the Visteon HD radio, the Carputer itself, and the Bluetooth GPS adapter. The computer is a Pentium 1.2 gigahertz Celeron with built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 120 gig hard drive, 512 megs of RAM, more than sufficient for running the single application or two applications at the same time. That is the Carputer. In the back here we have Mitch's cable, which is a serial cable that hooks up to the Carputer, and the Carputer controls the Visteon HD radio tuner over serial, and then the radio goes to the line in on the computer and then plays back through the roadrunner software. Now, everything's going to come pre-installed. I'm not going to uninstall anything, any software on the computer itself. Here in the roadrunner software, you pull up your music. I'm not using the touchscreen. I'm going to kind of fumble with it a little bit, but you get the idea. There's over 100 gigs of music: Coldplay, Creed, Counting Crows, Dean Martin, Depeche Mode, Duran Duran, Guns N' Roses, Jack Johnson, NXS, Kid Rock, Lenny Kravitz. There's a whole bunch in there. It's kind of a plethora of music, if you will. And you can go straight to the player and play music. You can go to the next song, or you can use your fingers for all this. You can turn the volume down. You can mute it straight from here. Go to the next song. You can pause, play again, and then that's the music. You can go to the radio, which is my favorite part. So I'm having issues trying to find, and there's the HD icon just popped up, so it's tuned into HD radio now, and soon it should, there now it's putting up the song and the artist, or the artist and the song. So there's actually sub-channels, so you can go to the sub-channel and listen to the sub-channel music as well. So it's not in HD right now, and then once it gets tuned in, I'm kind of pretty far away from the HD radio tower, so sometimes they come in, sometimes they don't. But if you're downtown or within 30 miles of downtown, you can usually pull in a very good signal. Now on to video. This plays video directly from the hard drive or any USB attachment or what have you. So it plays video quite well. It's got an 800 by 600 resolution screen. 800 by 480. So it's true widescreen resolution. Very good color representation. You're not going to see it here because I don't have the macro focus set up on it. But it's an old classic Family Guy. We go back to the menu and pull up the GPS. It's got eye guidance built into this Carputer. Let's see here. Anyway, that's where I'm located. Now you know. You can turn off the 3D and go to 2D. You can go full screen if you don't want all the extra functions that are there, and then go back to it if you need to. You can pull up the gas prices that are in your area. If you have a Bluetooth enabled phone with a data connection, you can set that up on Windows and get internet straight to your Carputer. Back to the menu. There's a trip meter. There's you can have it track yourself. You can see it's trying to pull in because I don't have that many satellites, so it's not figuring out where I am too easily. You can pull up the gauges and it'll show your speedometer using the GPS. If you have a rear view camera over USB, you can hook that up. I don't have it. It's an option. You can click wireless. The Wi-Fi is built in, so if you're driving around and you need to find a hotspot or something, you can just use this and it'll pick up all the Wi-Fi that's in the area, and you can try to find something unsecured and connect to it. Gauges, settings. You can come in here and change the color if you want to. Change the way the menu is laid out. There's quite a few things you can change. I don't really know where the color is. Either way, that's pretty much it in a nutshell. A bunch of stuff I didn't touch on. There's just so much you can do. There's so many different skins. Like they all do the same thing, but they can all do something. They can all look different. Like here's the new Roadrunner that just came out a couple months ago. I'll just give you a quick little overview of that. Here's the music again. You can pull up your music folder. Same list. Go back to the menu. Back to the menu. Pull up the HD radio. And click the button. Try to find something in HD. And there it is. See right there. It shows up in HD. Starts pulling up all the station information and the streams that are available, all depending on how good your reception is. I'm inside and I have a horrible antenna hooked up, so you're going to have better luck than I do. Again, navigation is built in here, same eye guidance. You can go through eye guidance, set your destination, go to a point of interest or an address if you want to put that in. Very good maps, good directions and whatnot. Just go back here and you can pull up what am I doing? The weather. Again, if you have Bluetooth phone with data enabled, you can hook that up and use it as an internet connection and pull down weather or gas prices and whatnot. It's all very exciting. Good luck on the auctions. I hope you enjoy it, and we'll talk to you soon.